Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is vector algebra. Now your subtopic is addition of vectors. Okay, now your next concept is triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. Okay, now triangle of vector addition. Now let us consider a vectors a bar and b bar. Triangle of vector addition. If a bar and b bar are two vectors, okay, now let us consider a space. If A, B, C are 3 points in a space, A, B, C are 3 points in a space. Now here A, B bar is equal to A bar, B, C bar is equal to B bar. Now A bar plus B bar, now here A bar plus B bar is one A bar plus resultant of A bar plus B bar. Now A bar plus B bar is equal to AC bar. Okay, if A bar, B bar are two vectors, if A bar, B bar are two vectors, then there exist 3 points, then there exist 3 points A, B, C in the space, A, B, C in the space such that small a bar is equal to AB bar, small a bar is equal to AB bar, and small b bar is equal to BC bar. Small b bar is equal to BC bar. Now defined as, now a bar plus b bar is equal to small a bar value AB bar plus small b bar value BC bar. Okay, now AB bar plus BC bar, AC bar. Okay, now A bar plus B bar can be write AC bar. This is known as triangle of vector addition. This is known as triangle of vector addition. Okay, next concept. Now parallelogram, concept of parallelogram. Now next one, concept of parallelogram. Concept of parallelogram. Okay, now let us consider a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, now let us consider a parallelogram. Now here ABCD is a parallelogram. Now here AC and BD are diagonals. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is equal to AB bar is equal to DC bar and AB bar parallel DC bar, and also AD bar is equal to BC bar. AD bar is equal to BC bar and AD bar parallel BC bar. Okay. Now here diagonal AC bar is equal to. Now according to triangular, resultant of AC means AB bar plus BC bar. Now diagonal AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar. Now equation 1. Next diagonal BD bar. Okay, now BD bar is equal to BA bar plus AD bar. BA bar plus AD bar. Okay, now BA bar means minus AB bar, negative vector. The BA bar can be right. BA bar is equal to minus AB bar, negative vector. Now AD parallel BC. Okay, now minus AB bar plus BC bar. Now equation 2. Okay, now adding 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus 2 implies AC bar plus BD bar is equal to, now AB cancel, 2 BC bar. Okay, now BC bar is equal to AC bar plus BD bar by 2. AC bar plus BD bar by 2. Okay, next 1 minus 2 implies AC bar minus BD bar is equal to, now 2 AB bar. Now AB bar is equal to AC bar minus BD bar by 2. AC bar minus BD bar by 2. Okay, now using this result, now diagonals are given. Now how to find sides of a parallelogram? Now sides of a parallelogram are given. Now how to find diagonals? Now using this concept. And also here E is the point of intersection of two diagonals. Okay, now OE bar is equal to OA bar plus OC bar by 2. Now OE bar is equal to OA bar plus OC bar by 2. OA bar plus OC bar by 2. And also OE bar is equal to OB bar plus OE bar is equal to OB bar plus OD bar by 2. Okay, now according to this one, OA bar plus OC bar is equal to 2 OE bar. OB bar plus OD bar by 2 equal to 2 OE bar. Okay, now here first, second one, and here also equation 3, here 4. Now fifth one is OA bar plus, okay, now E is the point of intersection of a diagonals. OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar plus OD bar is equal to 4 OE bar. 4 OE bar. Okay, next one is concept of a regular hexagon. regular regular hexagon. Okay, now let us consider a hexagon. Okay, 6 sides A, B, C, D, E, F, B, a regular hexagon. In regular hexagon, A, B, C, D, F, be a regular hexagon. In regular hexagon, all sides are equal. AB bar equal to BC bar equal to CD bar equal to DE bar equal to EF bar equal to FA bar. Okay, now if AB bar is equal to A bar, BC bar is equal to B bar. Let AB, CD, EF be a regular hexagon. If AB bar is equal to A bar, BC bar is equal to B bar. AB bar is equal to A bar, BC bar is equal to BC bar. Now AC bar. AC bar means AB bar plus BC bar. This one AC bar. Now first one AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, next one AD bar 2 times of BC bar. Second one AD bar is equal to 2 times of BC bar is equal to 2B bar. BC bar is equal to B bar means 2B bar. Next CD bar. CD bar means AD bar minus AC bar. Okay, next to CD bar is equal to AD bar minus AC bar. AD bar minus AC bar. Okay, now resultant of this one AD bar minus OD minus OA according to position vector minus AC bar means OC bar minus OA bar. Okay, now OD minus OA minus OC plus OA. OA cancel. OD minus OC is equal to CD. Now CD can be write AD minus AC. AD minus AC. Okay, now AD bar value is there 2B bar minus AC bar value A bar plus B bar. Okay, now B bar minus A bar. B bar minus. Now CD bar value B bar minus A bar. Okay, next to DE bar. Okay, DE bar is equal to minus of AB bar. ED bar value AB bar, but DE bar is equal to minus of AB bar is equal to minus A bar. Okay, next EF bar. EF bar is equal to minus of BC bar is equal to minus B bar. Next one, FA bar. FA bar minus of CD bar. FA bar is equal to minus of CD bar minus of B bar minus A bar is equal to A bar minus B bar. Okay, FA bar value A bar minus B bar. Okay, next AE bar. AE bar means AF bar plus FE bar. Now AE bar is equal to AF bar plus FE bar. Okay, now AF bar value B bar minus A bar plus FE bar value B bar. Okay, 2B bar minus A bar. Okay, next one AE. Okay, next to find AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to. Okay, now resultant of AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar value. Now AB bar value is small a bar. Now A bar plus AC bar value A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. Next AD bar value 2B bar plus 2B bar. Now here AD bar value 2B bar. Next AE bar value 2B bar minus A bar, 2B bar minus A bar plus AF bar value. Now AF, this one B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar. Okay, minus A bar plus A bar minus A bar cancel. Now 6B bar. Now B bar value BC bar, 6 into BC bar. Okay, now 3 into 2 BC bar. This can be right, 3 into 2 BC bar. Okay, now 2 BC bar value AD bar is equal to 3 into AD bar. Okay, now resultant of AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar value 3 AD bar. And here also now according to diagram, AO bar is equal to half AD bar. Okay, now AO, half of the part here. Now AO bar is equal to half AD bar. Now AD bar is equal to 2 AO bar. AD bar is equal to 2 AO bar. Now is equal to 3 into 2 AO bar is equal to 6 AO bar is equal to 6 AO bar. Therefore, resultant of AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar value 6 AO bar.